Hello, welcome to our assembly for today. So this week in our assemblies, we've been thinking about Christmas, and we've been thinking about people around the world, and we've been thinking about being with other people and what other people want at this time of year, because as we've said, it's easy to get really excited about advent calendars and trees and lights and all of these lovely things, but there's lots of other people in the world that we need to think about as well. So today what I'm going to do is I am going to show you, let's find my list, some pictures. And the aim of today's assembly is to think about the things that really, really matter at Christmas. And we're going to talk about where some of these things come from, because some of the things that we do come from lots of different places around the world. So our Christmas traditions, we might think that's what we do in England or in Wincham or Northwich, but actually these ideas have come to us from lots of different places. So here is a picture of a Christmas tree and what looks like a Victorian family around it. But the idea of displaying a decorated tree indoors at Christmas actually came not from England, but from Germany. So we've already got a different part of our Christmas. And in Japan, the Christmas meal is not roast turkey, but actually KFC. Who'd have thought it? Let's have a look at another one. Here we go. And in Australia, the seasons are the other way around to us. So Christmas is in the middle of summer, and people go to the beach, or they might have a barbecue on Christmas Day because it's the really, really warm day in the year. So we've got lots of different traditions right the way around the world. So as we're getting cold and putting on bobble hats and big coats, people are celebrating it in lots of different ways. In Russia, Christmas is celebrated on the 7th of January, not the 25th of December, because the Russian Orthodox Church uses a different calendar to the one that we use, which is based on the Church of England's Christian teachings. So there's one thing that is associated with Christmas right the way around the world in all of these rich countries where there's money, where there's money to spend on these sorts of things, and that is presents. Okay, and the idea of Santa Claus, Father Christmas, giving out gifts to excited children is more common in some countries than the idea of Jesus in the manger. And presents and advertising are everywhere. And from the day after Halloween until the day of the January sales, shops are preparing to make money. Now, it was estimated last year that British shoppers would spend over £500 each on presents. And spending money at Christmas is vital to shops and an essential part of the national economy. So it's really big stuff. And being generous is a good thing, but the amount that we spend at Christmas should make us stop and think. Christmas is a huge expense. It's not just presents. There's food, drinks, decorations, travel, and all of this can cause stress and pressure. And you hear lots of times, you've got to have this to make your perfect Christmas. You've got to have this to make Christmas really special. So do you have to have snow? Do you have to have happy children with presents everywhere, a beautifully decorated tree? But actually, we're all tired. We're all a bit worn out. You guys are getting tired and grumpy, and mums and dads are getting snappy with you. Too much rain, too much food, you're feeling. But we see this perfect Christmas in advertising and in films, and sometimes we can get a little bit disappointed. So what really matters at Christmas? Is it money? Is it food? Is it presents? What really matters? Have a think. Talk in your class. Okay. And what really matters at Christmas is the time spent with our family. It's not about the presents that we get. It's not about the food that we eat. It's not about the things that we drink or about the trees that we decorate or the lights outside our houses. But actually, Christmas is a time for thinking about other people. So next week in our assemblies, we're going to talk about the Christmas story, and we're going to look at different versions of the Nativity story. But the idea of giving a gift is because at Christmas, God gave us the baby Jesus. And the wise men gave gifts to the baby Jesus. Okay, so that's where the idea of gifts actually comes from. And that gift of the baby Jesus and sending Jesus in our lives is because God loves everybody, and that's what Christians believe. So the idea of a gift shows that we love somebody, and that's what's really, really important. So when you give somebody a gift, what you're actually saying with that gift isn't, here, have a bike. It's, I love you so much that I've bought you a bike. Or if you write somebody a card, it's not saying, oh, look, here's a card with a cute picture of a dog wearing antlers. It's saying, I really like you, and I think so much of you that I've spent some time writing a nice message in a card for you. And like we talked on Monday about people who don't have all of these things, we can show our respect for other people. We can show our thought and our compassion for other people. We can give donations to the food banks, who can give to the homeless, to the people who don't have money. We can make charity donations at this time of year. And that's us saying that we care for other people, because it's about caring for other people. That's what's most important at this time of year. So I want you to have a lovely weekend. I want you to get excited about Christmas. But while you're doing that, I want you to watch and think and consider and talk to your families about how you can think about other people as well at this time of year. That's really, really important for absolutely everybody. It's not about a perfect Christmas. It's about perfect thinking. Okay, so think about other people. Think about people in those in the city of Nairobi, in Nakuru. Think about other people in Northwich who were less fortunate than us. And think about how you can show people that you're really caring for them at Christmas time. It's not about making everything perfect. It's about showing that you've made the effort. And sometimes something homemade can be just as important, because that gift is the way that somebody says, I'm really thinking a lot about you at the moment. Okay. Have a lovely weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye-bye.